This is Sanchez. Sanchez? Come here, Sanchez. Get out of there. Get out of our fish. Come here. Come here, Sanchez. Come here, buddy. Come on. Oh, don't. Come on. Hi, buddy. How are ya? How are ya? No, don't fucking rub me again, you son of a bitch. Hey, ha! Oh, shit. He's getting pissed, man.
Hey, drop your fucking pole and grab it.
Damn it. Son of a bitch is a pissed off deer this morning.
Lay the horn on him.
He just bucked the shit out of me again, dude. You are a fucking pain in the ass, Sanchez. Caution, do not mess with wild animals. They will fuck you up. Excuse my language.